And coming in from the corner is Tyler Melu. It's a pretty fast car, but I don't know if you guys can handle it. Let's see now. Alright. You guys ready? When I say go, you start counting. 3, 2, 1, go! And stop. Alright. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna put you guys in there. Probably gonna have to tape you down. Or this guys. I'm gonna put you here and tape you. So then you have a full visual. I'm not gonna do it. Come on, Nancy. Ready? Watch those wheels spin. Ready? Watch how slow it takes off. And you guys ready? Kind of getting in a position that you guys can see. Alright. Oh, shit. Come on. And we have, coming in from West Coast, Rhode Island, we have the Tyler Melu 12 stock 9.4 volt battery, and almost indestructible body. Get into the details. We have a roll cage. Roll cage. A wing. RC Pro. Really? Oh well, you guys get it. It's New Bright. New Bright. And it's called the Reaper. Reaper. And that's basically all the details. Now guys, let's go. Alright, you guys ready to see how fast the thing goes? Whoa. That was a close one. I guess I'll be doing this by hand. Ready, steady, go! Oh, and also make sure to subscribe. Link down in the link below to watch this from my channel. And if you like more RCs, suggest, comment, and subscribe. And that'll be it. See ya.